Hi, in today's lesson we are going to be working on the cylinder. Before we start, you guys should have this paper, and if not, that's okay. You can draw them later. I want you to cut out just one of these sections, okay, before we start. All right, while you're still cutting, I'm going to name some, so look up here. Do you remember what this is? What's this called? Yes, it's called a sphere. This is a sphere. And remember, an attribute that with sphere is it rolls. It cannot stack because if you try to stack something on it, it just falls down. Stacking has to have flat sides. Good. What's this shape called? Do you remember this one? Yeah, it's a cube. This is a cube. It has 6 sides. Remember, we counted them the other day. 6 sides. What else do you know about the cube? Yes, it slides. Good. What else? Yes, you could stack things on it. We could stack things on it because it has a flat side. It has more than one flat side. Good. What's... Oh, those are the two shapes. So today we're going to be working on the cylinder. This is a cylinder. Don't get it confused with the sphere. Sphere is round, or not round, it's curved all over. So in a cylinder can roll because it has a curved side. It also can slide, and it has two flat surfaces. One, two, has two flat surfaces. So we can stack things on top of the cylinder. So those are the attributes for a cylinder. So with your pieces that you cut out, or if you don't have this is okay, just draw them. I want you to sort them, cylinder and not a cylinder. And you can also use stuff that you have at home. Like a cylinder looks like a can of like green beans or a pop or even a water bottle. I'll let you sort those. And if you want, you can glue them down, but you don't have to. All right, let's turn to the next page. If you didn't get a chance to finish that, you can finish that in a little bit, but I need to move on, okay? All right, here's the cylinder again. Here's our cylinder. Now, in a cylinder, I need to know, does it have a flat surface? What do you think? Yeah, it does. What about a curved surface? Does it have a curved surface all? Also, can you roll it? Can you roll the cylinder? Yeah, it rolls. So we're going to circle both of those because they both have a flat surface and they also curve. Good. So number two is a check mark. And in the check mark, you have to do it by yourself. And it wants to know how many flat surfaces does a cylinder have? How many flat surfaces does it have? Can you tell me? Write that number. Yeah, it has two flat surfaces. Good. Now here we go, number three. These are so easy, but you got to remember the name of these things. This is a cylinder. All right, look at our shelving unit. I need you to put an X on all the cylinders. Put an X on all the cylinders. All right, are you ready? Is there a cylinder in this row? Yeah, the can of tuna fish. Just because it's shrunk down, it still has two flat surfaces and it's curved around. What about this one? Any cylinders on that one? Yeah, the tennis balls. You should have put the container. You should put an X on that. The tennis ball container is a cylinder. It has two flat surfaces and it is curved around the base of it. What about down here? Yeah, this tube thing right here. This is a cylinder. Just because it's laying on its side doesn't mean it's a different shape. It is still a cylinder. Good, let's turn to the back page. Oh, this is easy. Number four, it says to put an X on the shape of who I am. Let me give you some hints. What What shape am I? I have two flat surfaces. Put an X on me. Good. Did you put an X on this one? Yeah, because this is a sphere and it has no flat surfaces. And then number 5 says draw a real object like a can of tuna or a pop or a water bottle that is shaped like a cylinder. All right, boys and girls, I want you to remember this is a cylinder. It has two flat surfaces. It rolls, it slides, and you can stack things. Those are the attributes for our cylinder. Don't get it confused with our sphere. Cylinder, sphere. Cylinder is what we're working on today. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.